Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Tesla Model Y TPMS sensor. First, gather your essential tools: a reliable jack, a lug wrench, and your brand new TPMS sensor. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is parked on a completely level surface. Engage the parking brake and consider using wheel chocks for added security. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process, protecting both you and your vehicle throughout the task. Now, with your vehicle safely supported, begin by slightly loosening the lug nuts while the wheel is still on the ground. Then, use your jack to lift the vehicle until the tire is clear. Remove the lug nuts completely and carefully take off the wheel, setting it aside. Next, fully deflate the tire. This allows you to easily access and remove the old, faulty TPMS sensor from the valve stem. With the old sensor removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully insert the new TPMS sensor into the valve stem opening, ensuring it's properly seated and secured. Next, reinflate the tire to the manufacturer's recommended pressure, which is typically around 38 psi for a Tesla Model Y. Once inflated, mount the wheel back onto the vehicle, hand-tightening the lug nuts to hold it in place. Finally, lower your vehicle completely and use your lug wrench to fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern for even pressure. Now, take your Tesla for a drive. You'll need to drive for at least 10 minutes at a speed exceeding 15 miles per hour. This allows the vehicle's system to automatically recognize and calibrate with the new TPMS sensor. Confirm the dashboard warning light has turned off.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.